Okay. Exercise 13.4, question number 4. It is written that a container opened from the top is made up of a metal sheet is in the form of first term. Means there is one container, एक बड़ा सा बर्तन है. It is in shape of a first term. Okay, and it is made up of metal sheet. Then they are telling of height 16 centimeter. That means height. They are not talking of slant height, they are taking height. So height means h, which is equal to how much they are telling? 16 centimeter. With radii of its lower and upper end as radii of its lower first they are using the word lower. तो lower end की radii हो गई 8 centimeter. So I'll name it as R1. Then radii of upper end, okay, is 20 centimeters. So I'll name it as R2 respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container. We have to find the cost of the milk which can fill the container. इस container में आ सकता है. Means first we will find the volume because we have to find कि कितना milk आ सकता है. First we will find the quantity of milk and after that we will find the cost. So first of all we have to find the quantity of milk. Also find, अब second part है, मतलब this question is having two part. First part we have to find the cost of milk जो इसके अंदर आ सकता है. Also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container. और इसको बनाने के लिए जो metal sheet लगी उसकी भी हमें cost निकालनी है. Means that ideally this question is having two parts. So let us start with the first part. Solution. First part they are asking the cost of milk which can completely fill the container. Completely fill the container से हमें पता चलता है they are talking about volume. जितना volume होगा उतना ही container fill करेगा. Okay, so the cost of milk is equals to volume. Okay, volume of first term into rate. Volume of first term into rate. This is the very simple formula. Cost of milk, इसमें कितने का milk आएगा तो that will be equal to the volume. जो भी हमारा volume है we will multiply it by the rate. So we will get the answer. Okay. Now we will write here volume of first term. So volume of first term. So what is the formula for volume of first term? Let's write the volume of first term. So volume of first term is 1/3 pi h. It is R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into rate. What rate is given? Read the question. At the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Means rupees 20 per liter is the rate. Now I like to remind you one more thing कि 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so here per liter. Okay, so we will convert the unit. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So instead of writing there 1 liter, per liter means 1 liter. So we will replace this liter by 1000 centimeter cube. Now let's put the value. So it will come as 1/3. Now look here for pi. When we read the question properly, they have given take pi 3.14. So it will come 3.14 into h. So what they are asking, h is 16. Then in bracket what will come? Here R1 square means 8 square. plus R2 square means 20 square. One we can put the bracket to avoid confusion. Plus R1 into R2 means 8 into 20 into rupees 20 upon, I'll write only 1000 because centimeter cube and this unit of volume is also centimeter cube, it will be cancelled, so we'll get the answer only in rupees. Now coming here, we'll solve this bracket. First I'll keep 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 16. 8 square will be 64 plus 400 plus 160 into rupees 20 upon 1000 is equals to, here again we will add plus 1 upon 3 into 3.14 into 16 into, let's add, so we will get 4 12 2 1 carry over plus 5 plus 1 6 into rupees 20 upon 1000. If I remove the decimal point, so upside downside will come 100 into, we can cancel, it's 3 ones and you will get 3 2s are 6, then 0, then 8. Then very simple way, whatever number you are getting, 314 multiplied by 16 into 208 into 20, so we will multiply as 1044992. Okay, upon, it is coming into 5 zeros, so we'll count from here 3 and 2 when you will count, so it will come, okay, into 20. Okay, this we have multiplied 314 into 16 into T08, so we got this answer into 20 upon, ये भी multiply कर दिया, again we will multiply by 20 and divide it by 100,000, so our answer will come as rupees 208.9984, and if we round off, either you keep it like this, or if we round off, so then it will be 209. This is approx, please write there approx also. Okay, so thus it is the cost of milk. Thus cost of milk is rupees 209. We have round off more than 5. And again explaining, ये ध्यान से देखना बेटा, कॉस्ट ऑफ मिल्क दे आर आस्किंग कि इसमें जो मिल्क है उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी है, तो वो डिपेंड करेगा इस कंटेनर का वॉल्यूम इनटू रेट. जब हम रेट से वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला तो एवरीबडी नोज, रेट में हम जब मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो ये आ रहा है ₹20 पर लीटर, ये लीटर में आ रहा है, जबकि इधर हमारा ये पूरा काय में आएगा, वॉल्यूम सभी यूनिट सेंटीमीटर में, तो इट विल बी सेंटीमीटर. तो मैंने यहाँ लीटर को कन्वर्ट करा सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में, तो ये सेंटीमीटर क्यूब था, ये वॉल्यूम की यूनिट भी सेंटीमीटर क्यूब थी, तो आपस में अपने आप कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो कॉस्ट विल कम इन रुपीज़ ओनली. तो ये रुपीज़ हैं, हमने फॉर्मूले को एज इट इज़ सिंपल तरीके से सॉल्व करा, नो नीड टू मेक इट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बाय कैंसिलिंग अप एंड डाउन. अलग से दिख रहा है कि 100,000 नीचे है, तो फर्स्ट यू मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द न्यूमरेटर्स, देन काउंट द डिजिट्स, पुट डेसिमल पॉइंट एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. Okay, so that we completed the first part. Now second part they are asking, find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container. अब कॉस्ट ऑफ मेटल शीट, तो अगेन कॉस्ट ऑफ मेटल शीट, अब ध्यान से देखिए कंटेनर है, तो वी विल नीड कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस वी विल नीड बेस, इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे हम, तो वी विल गेट टोटल एरिया ऑफ द शीट उस शीट के एरिया को वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय द रेट ऑफ the sheet. So what rate of the sheet they are given? ₹8 per 100 centimeter square. Then we will get the total cost. Okay, so again direct formula, we will write here total cost. Yeah, let us write cost of metal sheet. Okay, we will write cost of metal sheet. So cost of metal sheet is equals to again area of sheet into rate, whatever is the rate. Now here area of sheet will be equal to curved surface area of first term. Okay, curved surface area of first term plus bottom. Okay, means area of base. So this thing to we have to plus, so we'll get the area of sheet into we have to multiply by rate. Now again here curved surface area of first term. So curved surface area का फॉर्मूला था अपना पाई आर एल प्लस. Okay, now here r will not come. Okay, always remember, don't write the formula of cone. It is pi l, and here bracket will come r1 plus r2 plus area of base. Area of base means this. So what it will be? It will become pi r1 square and into rate. Now we can observe properly. Pi is also here, pi is also here, so we will take pi common inside the bracket. It remains L r1 plus r2, r1 plus r2 plus r1 square into rate. Always relax and think, automatically you will get the answers. Now we will put the value. So for pi they have given 1.4 bracket L. Now question arises L. Here L is not given, so we have to find the L. So what we are going to do? Find the L. For finding the L, we know that L is equals to root h square plus, now radius ka square. Radius ka square means we will use the formula. Okay, so from bigger we will always subtract smaller. So here it will come r2 minus r1 whole square, and let put the value. So when you put the value, so it will come as 16 square plus in bracket it will come as 20 minus 8 and whole square. First we will find the square, subtract करके square निकालना, then we'll put the value and you will solve. So you will get the answer accordingly. Okay, so here it will come as 256 plus 20 minus 8, it will be 12, और 12 का square करेंगे, so what it will come? L is equals to under root 256 plus 144. Add them. What answer you are getting? Or 10, 1 carry over, then again 10 and 4. So what it will come? L is equals to 20 centimeter. So we'll put here. So what it will come? 20 bracket r1 is 8 plus r2 is again 20 plus R1 square means 8 square, and here into, now we can put the rate is rupees 8. We don't have to do conversion, but they are telling per 100 centimeter square means upon 100 will come centimeter square. And here, since it is the formula for curved surface area, so this the unit will also be centimeter square. Centimeter will be cancelled and only rupees will be left. So rupees 8 per 100. So what we will do here, again we will multiply 314, and here 2 you do 20 into 28 plus 64 into rupees 8 upon 100. You will remove the decimal point, so downside also 100 will come. 314 upon 100. We will multiply 0 2 8 the 16 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 64 into rupees 8 upon 100. Okay, so again it will be here 314 upon 100 into, we will add 426 into rupees 8 upon 100. Now very easy way, multiply all the three terms in the numerator and then divide it by 10,000. So what answer you? 59.36, and decimal point will also come, so I will not put decimal point, into 36 into 8 upon, it will become 10,000, and when we will multiply and put the decimals, so it will come as rupees 156.7488, and we can round off because it is here more than 5, so we can write it, or we can round off here also, so we can write rupees 156.75. Thus cost of metal sheet is rupees 156.7. Multiply in rough column.